Hi everyone, it's Ellen from Glowforge. We've been celebrating heroes all week with Teacher Appreciation, Nurse Appreciation, and Mother's Day. I thought it would be fun to create a thank you gift for any hero. Keep watching to see how I printed this on my Glowforge. To print my design, I'll upload it into the Glowforge app. Then, when I put in my proofgrade material, my Glowforge camera will take a picture and automatically select my settings using that sticker in the lower right corner. Now I can resize, drag, and drop my design into place on my material where I have open space. Next, I just need to hit print. I got the inspiration for this project by looking at #Glowforge on Instagram, where Glowforge owners are posting their incredible prints every day. To add some color, I'm going to print the letters from Hero in different acrylic colors. Again, I'll put in my material and drag the letter H where I want it, ignoring the rest of my design. Thanks to that handy proofgrade sticker, my settings are already loaded and I can hit print. Proofgrade materials make it easy with preloaded settings, but you can save custom settings too if you use your own materials. These letters are taking less than 30 seconds to print on my Glowforge Pro, which prints 3 times faster than a basic. Here's the finished print. I used walnut wood and colorful acrylic to make this print. Who is your hero you'd like to thank this week? Check the description to see more incredible ideas of prints you can make for your hero on your Glowforge.